Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an exterior door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Also, ensure you have the correct new exterior door handle ready. Working in a well-lit, clean space will make the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's begin by removing the old handle. Start by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. Once the panel is off, you will see the handle mechanism. Disconnect any attached rods and electrical connectors. Then, use your 10mm socket wrench to unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting screws holding the exterior handle in place. Gently pull the old handle free. With the old handle removed, it is time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new exterior door handle into the opening on the door frame. Make sure it sits flush and correctly aligned. Next, use your 10mm socket wrench to securely fasten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Reconnect all the door handle rods and any electrical wiring you disconnected earlier, ensuring they click firmly into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips align and snap into place. Double-check that all trim pieces are securely fastened. Before closing everything up, test the new exterior door handle several times. Open and close the door and verify that it latches and locks correctly. This ensures a successful replacement and proper functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.